In today's video, I will walk you through how to view options prices of a stock on Yahoo Finance. To get started, open your browser and go to Yahoo Finance. Once the page loads, sign into your account so you can access all the available features. After signing in, head over to the Markets tab. This section gives you access to different market categories and lets you browse through available securities. On the left side of the screen, you'll find several sections that allow you to filter the market. From those options, select Stocks. This will take you to the Stocks section where you can browse through different companies. Next, locate the stock whose options prices you want to view. You can either click directly on the stock name if it's already displayed on the screen, or use the search bar to find the specific stock you're looking for. Once you've opened the page for that stock, look toward the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see several tabs related to the stock. Find the Options tab and click on it. After selecting the Options tab, you'll be taken to a page that displays the available options for that stock. On this page, you can view the different strike prices along with expiration dates and premiums. You'll also be able to see additional information associated with those options. The Options page provides a list of the available contracts and their details, allowing you to review the options prices for the selected stock. If needed, you can continue browsing through the available options listed on the page. Simply scroll through the information that appears and review the different values shown for each contract. You can also use the search feature earlier in the process whenever you want to switch to another stock. Just search for a different company, open its stock page, and click on the Options tab again to view the options information for that particular stock. The process remains the same regardless of which stock you want to check. Sign into Yahoo Finance, go to the Markets section, select Stocks, locate the stock you're interested in, and then open the Options tab to see the available contracts and their prices. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily view options prices of a stock on Yahoo Finance and access the information available for different strike prices, expiration dates, premiums, and other related details. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.